Makita is one of the most influential manufacturers in the whole tools industry. With tons of innovative solutions, they have been playing a vital role in the game of every trade. So in this video, we'll show you some coolest Makita tools you must own. You cannot enjoy outdoor parties or camping trips without a bass-blasting speaker. With that in mind, Makita designed its wholly new sound system. Wondering how a tool brand's speaker can immerse your enjoyment out there? Well, this Bluetooth speaker comes in a regular look, but has amazing versatility and groundbreaking durability that withstands anything nature throws at you. It simply brings your favorite tunes together. But hold on, there's more. This ADRM008 offers great runtime of around 32 hours. We're sure it's enough for you. Okay, you've often needed to boil up the water around your job site, but you just can't rely on a regular one because of the harsh situations out there. And this kettle you see here is not just an ordinary one, it's a durable one from Makita. With the easy carrying handle, you can carry it anywhere, anytime you need. All you need to do is just open it, fill the 0.8-liter kettle with water, attach two 18-volt batteries, and turn it on. With different boiling temperatures, this DKT 360 kettle allows you to get your desired heat. Of course, the battery runtime varies on usage. There's something more, the Makita mug. Yep, you'll get a mug along with the kettle. Now, make your life absolutely Makita-full. Every pro tradesperson loves to have an angle grinder because of its versatility. The rapidly rotating discs of a grinder simplify your tons of workshop tasks like grinding, polishing, sharpening, and many more. This Makita Gag 13 5-inch X-Lock paddle switch grinder delivers plenty of power to live up to all your expectations. You can change the blades pretty easily without having any extra tools in hand. Plus, the powerful Makita motor lets you cut 60% faster than a standard grinder. With multiple gripping positions and a large paddle switch, it gives you the utmost control over the tool. It also features active feedback sensing technology that turns the motor off when it's an emergency, maintaining the highest safety between job to job. After the grinder, here's another professional tool that matches the pace of versatility. Meet Makita's JR002G, a cordless reciprocating saw that is compatible with a wide range of cutting applications. No matter which material you're facing, wood, metal, plastic, or more, this saw easily takes them on and gets your job done. Although the cutting speed varies on the type of materials, it'll never disappoint you with high cutting efficiency. Plus, you can adjust the cutting speed with the variable speed trigger, meaning every action will be more precise than ever. And the comfortable handling position, low vibration technology, and ultimate stability make this reciprocating saw a great one of its kind. No worries about the blade changing, you can make it in seconds. Carrying all the needed essentials and keeping them well organized isn't as easy as it sounds. But if you have these Makita MACPAC interlocking tool cases by your side, you can make it happen without meeting any pain or hassle. Each of the cases is engineered with quality materials that withstand every rough and tough construction site condition and lets you travel from here to there, keeping all your tools securely stored. With a wide variety of storage systems, the MACPAC system lets you customize it with undivided cases that easily accommodate your mostly used tools like a grinder, circular saw, impact drivers, wrenches, screwdrivers, and many more accessories. So keep your tools near to hand and extend the lifespan. When it comes to cutting thick wood logs, chainsaws play an unmatched role in the field. However, not everyone enjoys dragging a cord when going under the extreme pressure of cutting. What if you got such a saw that cuts like a corded one, but runs on a battery? Yep, this is the Makita DUC307 chainsaw, an absolutely brilliant tool that delivers huge cutting power for all your indoor and outdoor projects thanks to the heavy-duty brushless motor. On top of that, it never lets you down in terms of the runtime. You'll get consistent power till the whole project is done. This chainsaw also features a kickback brake and electric brake that maintains ultimate safety from job to job. And there's no doubt about the comfort. Its balanced weight-to-size ratio causes minimal fatigue after a long-term operation. Mowing overgrown grasses in the yard or lawn was never easier until tool brands started innovating lawn mowers. This is the Makita LM001C brushless lawnmower, a safe, labor-saving, and effective way to clean up all the annoying grasses that ruin your garden's look. This mower is equipped with an efficient brushless motor, meaning you don't have to spend a large amount of time after your lawn maintenance. Plus, you can adjust the cutting height between 20 and 100 millimeters. Thus, you can bring an even finished look to your lawn easily. No wonder the self-propelled speed control dial and handheld operating mechanism will make every application as easy as ABC. And the runtime. It's efficient enough to mow all your medium to large-size lawns. Among tons of rebar tying tools on the internet, choosing the right one to own is a bit crucial. Rather than spending bucks on an unworthy one, you better go with this Makita DTR180. This portable rebar tying tool has the power and efficiency to impress everyone. It's a great, handy tying solution for rebar and steel rods. The first pro of this tool is the 6-stage adjustable wire bending power that lets you tackle the toughest jobs easily. Meanwhile, a tying speed of 0.8 seconds per tie improves your productivity and lessens total job time. However, let's not skip the best part. This DTR 180 has a huge tying capacity of around 6,400 ties on a single charge, meaning you don't have to leave your projects half-finished. Although it has a similar look to a mini screwdriver, but actually, it's a LED flashlight from Makita. This DML808 LED light is a great solution to illuminate all the low-light work areas. It runs on both 12-volt max and 18-volt batteries. On top of that, this flashlight allows you to adjust it between wide and spotlight mode, and also adjust the head for different angles regarding your project demands. And the coolest part, it's here when you can mount it onto your job site wall, which means you always don't require any extra hand to provide you a lighting source. Now, no more hassles while dealing with dark areas. It's obvious you've used an electric socket wrench to complete fastening or loosening, but there is always some space where you just can't use them. So, let's conclude today's list with this Makita Pass-Through socket set. This socket set features a drive system that links drive tools and sockets that lets you work in the tightest spaces effortlessly. Meanwhile, the slimmer profile and durable design extend the reaching possibility and total tool life. This Pass-Through socket set simply goes to those corners where a regular electric wrench can't go. So, get the superb reach with the desired durability. Okay, that was the list of the coolest Makita tools you must own. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.